How to report a problem on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to report a problem on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are on your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now scroll down and you're gonna find a report a problem. Click on it. Wait for a second. And now you have these popular problems like I want to grow my account, I can start a live, following too fast, tapping too fast, whatever. And this is like topics. For example, account and profile. And you're gonna find account and profile problems. So this is issues creating an account. Just look for your problem and this is it. Don't forget to subscribe and like.